Good afternoon, this is Bob Iaccino coming to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. Talking currencies, talking euro currency future, where we saw a brief jump up, just missing getting to 119 in the December futures contract. 118.93 was the high, and then selling off later in the day. And that volatility was based off of some Mario Draghi comments at a press conference in Brussels, where he commented on relatively vigorous inflation. That caused the euro to spike briefly. And then he talked about rates have to stay low in through the summer in order for that inflation to take hold and continue. So while he called it vigorous, it doesn't seem like Mario Draghi thinks that inflation is sustainable as they start to remove accommodation and possibly hike rates. So it looks like he's pushing a rate hike back to at least the winter, if not 2019. Throughout the summer, there's not much left of the summer. He's talked about the end of the summer in the past. I think the bulls in the euro are hoping he's not talking about all the way through the next summer. I don't believe he is as well. We did see a little bit of a jump in the German Bund. The Bund is the 10-year note of Germany. That cap at 50 basis points, or 0.5% on the positive side of rates in the Bunds, has held for quite a while. Today we briefly got up to 51 basis points on the Bund and then fell back as well, along with the euro falling. The BTP, which is the Italian 10-year, did just the same thing. It wasn't 50 basis points, it was closer to 20 basis points, but it turned back around as well, going back under normal resistance levels on the yield side of things. So the Bunds and the BTPs moving lower in price, higher in yield until they recovered later in the day. And then of course the dollar index itself, being most influenced by the euro, is down again. It is lower, but we'll reach 200-week simple moving average support. The 200-day is important and the 200-week is important. This morning's low on the dollar index reached that 200-week and then rallied up till we had the dollar index finish down about 20 basis points on the day. It is, however, another down day for the US dollar. This is Bob Iaccino talking about euro currency futures from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago.